Hey, what's going on? It's Mechanically Inclined here. Today we're going to be cleaning a dryer vent with a kit from Amazon. I've got some of it pre-assembled here, but this is what comes in the kit. You've got a bunch of these. I think it's up to about 40 feet depending on the kit that you select. Comes with a little thing of electrical tape that you can secure these things so that they don't come loose inside of the dryer vent. Then you have a brush that we're going to be cleaning inside of the dryer where the lint filter is, and you have another smaller attachment that you can also pass through the dryer as well. Additionally, I have like a respirator here. It's also doubling as a face shield so it can protect it from my eyes. Lastly, we have a vacuum and just a regular drill. So we're going to go ahead and get this set up. I have the ladder in position directly below my dryer vent. So right up here, you see the louvers here have a bunch of lint on them. We're gonna do just clean these up real quick. Just, ooh, look at all of that coming out. Up here. Now I'm just gonna remove these louvers, just sort of bend them in the middle and get them out of the way. With those out of the way, I will be right back. I'm gonna turn the dryer on and let's get cleaning. With the dryer on, the final connection is going to be the chuck here that goes on a drill bit. So we're going to put that on and we're going to secure it with a tiny bit of electrical tape here, just to make sure it's not going to go anywhere. And we'll attach the other end to our drill. We're going to go into low speed. The way that this should work, this is going to spin inside of the dryer vent. You can already see we've got some air moving. At this point, I'm going to put on my respirator and my safety glasses here. At this point, when you're coming back out, you cannot put the drill in reverse. If you put it in reverse, all of these linkages will come loose and you'll lose the tool inside the dryer. Very important. Keep it in forward all the time or else you're going to end up in a hairy situation. This is the source of a lot of fires in people's homes. It's super easy. You should definitely consider picking up one of these kits. It's very, very easy. You saw how I did that. Inside now, we're gonna use this brush and a little skinny attachment on the vacuum. And if you come closely here, you'll see a lot of the lint is built up inside of this thing. We're gonna try to get all of that out as much as possible. Here I'm just using the wooden brush with the vacuum attachment just to sort of scrape up things. My vacuum did not reach deep enough. I'm going to be getting an attachment for the end of this thing to get really way down deep inside of there.
but this definitely helped. I got a ton of stuff out. I also pulled the dryer vent off of the back of the dryer and vacuumed out inside of the dryer, as well as put the hose in the reverse direction all the way up there. I don't think you have to go both directions on the dryer vent hose. You can pretty much pick whether you want to do it inside or outside, but since I had everything set up, I went ahead and kind of doubly did it, and I think it turned out okay. I would definitely recommend this kit for any DIYer that wants to give their dryer a cleaning and get better airflow and help get your clothes drier quicker. Super easy, well put together.